Dear scholars, let us start learning the lesson 3.2 Compare a program. Here the word compare means present or host a program. You have watched, you have attended many of the programs in school. The program would be of annual culture, that is annual cultural program, in which many of the songs, dances, etc. are presented. You have attended the program of celebration of Republic Day, Independence Day, and much more. Have you ever thought of the all events that are taken place in any of the program? Have you all ever thinking about how the anchor or host of the program presenting the activity one by one in particular sequence? So this is what we are going to learn through this lesson, how different events of any program are taken to be considered and conducted one by one in that program. So let's not waste time and start with the first activity in any of the program. What is it? It is titled as Getting Ready for the Program. It is. We must be ready for any of the program. So what is it? How could be that getting ready? Let us read the given passage below this title. Good morning, friends. It is a pleasure for me to welcome you all to this festive occasion. Please take your seats. May I request you to keep your mobile switched off or on silent mode. Let us ring into the merry mood of youthful creative expressions and forget our preoccupations and ringtones for the time being. So it is that announcement or welcoming the people or alerting people that program is started. Here the word festive means joyous. What is the next event? Arrival of the dignitaries, guests. When the guests or dignitaries arrive, how that is announced? It is here. I am happy to announce that the dignitaries have arrived. I request you all to be seated. I request our head girl, Miss Shubhada Murarka, to escort the dignitaries to the dais. The word escort means to go with, and the word dais means stage. So you might have listened how the guests are called on the stage by announcing or by welcoming them orally in that program. Next event, it is commencement of the program. Commencement means beginning. How the program began, that is mentioned. Let us read this sample. Honorable chief guest of today's function and an artist of great renown, Sri Charudatta Diwan, President of Balanand Education Society. This is the information about the guest. Sri Charudatta Diwan, President of Balanand Education Society. Next is Sri Avdut Pathak, our principal, that is school principal. Dr. Ajinkya Parki, that is Charudatta Diwan and Avdut Pathak, these are two. Next is principal Dr. Ajinkya Parki. Next, vice principal, that is Dr. Shaila Singh. All are invited guests, parents, teachers, and my dear friends. On behalf of Balanand Vidyalaya, I extend a hearty welcome to you all. We have gathered here for the inauguration of our school art festival. So this is what commencing program. Next, Here is the next activity, that is lighting the lamp, or you can say lamp lighting ceremony. So how it is announced? Let us read this given sample. Let us begin this auspicious occasion with something symbolic of knowledge and learning. And for this, I would like to request all the honorable members on the dais to kindly light the traditional lamp and offer prayers. So this is what requesting the guest to light up the lamp. Next, friends, look at the amazing quality of this lamp. So as this lamp lighting commences at that time, to make the audience busy, this information could be given. Friends, look at the amazing quality of this lamp. When lit, not only does it carry the tremendous potential to break the darkness of the night, but also leaves way for 1,000 other lamps to be lit from its flames. Likened to the lamp is knowledge. Knowledge too spreads light. It neither divides nor subtracts. It only adds and multiplies. Miss Anagha Bhatia of Standard 7th and her group will now sing the school song. So that is welcome song. So this is what you can add in the activity or event of lighting the lamp. And there, to welcome the guest, welcome song can be sung. Next event, it is about welcome and introduction of guest. So before announcing this, some words, sentences can be added, just like it is given over here. Atiti Deva Bhava. That means guests are considered as God. Our Indian culture regards guests as gods. Let us welcome and honor our distinguished guest. Next, it is indeed our proud privilege to have amidst us a very eminent personality from the field of art and culture, renowned artist, a painter of international repute and proud recipient of many prestigious awards, President of Kalaranjan Academy, Sri Charudatta Diwan. So it is the name of the guest, that dignitary. And who is he actually? That information is provided over here in all these lines. So in this way, the information about the guest could be given. What is further? I would request our principal to welcome him by offering a token of our love and appreciation. What is that token of love and appreciation? It is here, books. That is which is titled as 2 volumes of cherished lives of great artists. So it is the name of that book. We are offering books because flowers might perish, but books can stay forever. Here perish means destroy, die. Next, thank you, sir. I would now request the convener of this art festival, our art teacher, respected Miss Shilpa Sanghani, to welcome the pecan of our institution, the president of Balananda Academy, Mr. Avadhut Pathak, the president of the academy. What is further? I would now request our school captain and cultural in charge, Miss Shubhada Murarka, to welcome our ever-inspiring dynamic principal. What is the name of the principal? It is Dr. Ajinkya Parkhi sir. Our enthusiastic vice principal will be welcomed by Miss Anagha Bhatia. Thank you, dear Anagha. So this is what how the guests dignitaries could be welcomed. What is further? That is about introductory speech, book release, cultural program, and so on. We will see through the next video.